In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a complete reveal NFT project. And this is from scratch and without code. And we are going over how you can first of all just generate the basic collection, so all of your NFT images and metadata. Then how we can set up the smart contract, again without code. And how we can then reveal the NFTs. And it's going to be super easy, so make sure to follow this video along. If this video helps you out, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into this. Alright, as you guys can see, I am on my MacBook right here. And now what we want to do is we want to go to our browser first of all. I'm using Google, but you can use any other browser too. So here we want to search for a website we are going to create this with. So we have to search for ambition.so, just search that up. And then the first link should be this one right here. And you can just go on it and you will be on this homepage right here. Now, once we are here, it's really easy. We can just go in here and under features, we can already see there are multiple different options for us here. So the first one is just a NFT generator. Then we have a smart contract builder and then a minting website builder. But since we want to create the whole collection, we will start off by just going to the NFT generator and then clicking on the Get Started button. Once you guys have clicked on that, you should be right here at this tab where it says metadata and collection. And here it's basically pretty easy. What we have to do is we have to just decide on some basic things for our NFT collection. So the first one is just being the name. So here we have to decide a name for NFT collection, and you can just basically come up with whatever you want. I'm just gonna call this Cool Smileys now. Then you can give a brief description of your NFT collection, and here I would really write 2 sentences or 3 sentences, and yeah, but I'm just gonna skip that now. Then the third one here is collection size, and obviously the collection size is just basically how many NFTs do we want. And then also we have to decide what blockchain we are using, and here you can either choose Solana or Ethereum, but the more common one is Ethereum, and I'm gonna use Ethereum for this too now. So now when we've done that, we can just basically click on next and go ahead and create the layers for our NFT collection. Here I'm just going to use some layers I've already created. And if you're not sure how to create these different layers that this code is going to combine, then don't worry, check out my other video on that. There I show you how you can create these layers and then you will be all set. So now I only have 4 different layers, so I will just write those in there. Background is already here, so now the next one is going to be left eyes, and then the last one is mouths. And just like that, we have all the layers. What is important to mention here is that the order of these different layer folders is important, because when the background is all the way up here, it will be put on by this code all the way on top, and then you can basically not see the mouth and eyes. So the background should always be down here, and then everything should add onto that. But now we can just click on next and begin to add our traits. So now when we look through these different folders, we can see they all contain some images, and that's basically our different layers. And when everything is in here, we can just click on next. Alright, now here we can edit the rarity of these different layers, and yeah, so you can basically just drag these. Then the likelihood of this layer to be chosen will either increase or decrease, but I'm just gonna leave it like that now. So I will just go on and click on next, and then we can already see a preview of these different NFTs, how are they going to look. Obviously these look pretty simple, but you can basically create anything such as Azuki with this. Now we have to log in to generate this collection, and then we can go ahead and generate the collection. Then here at the checkout, you just quickly have to pay for this, but it's not that expensive. For example, the cost for my project would now be $3, so this obviously depends on how big of a project you want to create, but I think it's definitely worth it. So then you can just pay for that, and your NFTs will render, and you can download the collection and get the metadata and the NFT images. And here I have the folder that I extracted from the zip file now, and now we can just open it and you will see the images and the metadata is all here, so we can move on. Now we have to create the smart contract. For that, we will just basically go back to Ambition. Then we have to log back in, or in case we are already logged in, then we'll be on this page right here with the Ambition smart contracts. So that's basically where you have to go. And then we can go ahead and create the smart contract for this collection. And this is pretty easy. Now we just have to click on Create NFT Collection. And here we just basically have to fill in the basic information again. So the name of the collection is still Cool Smileys, so I will just put that in here. Then symbol, just come up with something. Then collection size is the same, so 30, because that's important. And then price per minted NFT. Now that we are deploying it on Ethereum, this will obviously be in ETH, so I will just say 0.00 or 0.1 now. Just come up with something, whatever price you like. Then we can choose the blockchain we want to deploy it on, and we set Ethereum now, so we are deploying it on Ethereum. But just for this video, I'm just going to deploy it on a testnet so that I don't have to pay for this. You will just have to deploy it for the normal blockchain. So now we can go ahead, and when everything is filled out, we can go ahead and click on Save Contract. And that will basically save the smart contract. And now we can go ahead and add the images. Okay, since we are creating a reveal NFT collection, the first picture we are putting in here is the picture that is our pre-reveal image. So basically an image that shows for every NFT before they are revealed. So here you can choose a nice graphic, but I'm just gonna choose a random background now. So I will just use the blue background as my pre-reveal image, so you can't see the NFTs yet. Then you can go ahead and upload that, and we can move on. Now here we have to upload the actual NFT collection. So we will go back here, get the folder with our generated images, and drag all of the images in here. Then just click on upload again. Now we just have to do the same thing with the metadata. So just get that, select all, and just drag and drop that in here. Now the last part is that we have to confirm that everything is uploaded correctly. So you can just check out these IPFS links and then click on confirm, and we are ready. And we are ready to deploy our contract. And here on the side we already get a preview of how it's going to look. But now let's just click on deploy contract, and then we can go ahead. Now we will just quickly have to, pay for these transaction fees, and then we can deploy our contract. And as you guys can see, our contract is deployed. So now we can go ahead and view it on the dashboard. And here we can already see this is how the unrevealed image looks like. And then when we reveal it, it will look like this. And here we just basically get a quick overview over everything and have a lot of different settings. So we can open pre-sale, like have some whitelist addresses. And yeah, we can also do like some airdrop. So you can just basically add addresses to that and all of that stuff. So now you can just go to the embed tab here, copy this code to clipboard, and then just put it into your website. And then there will be a minting button on your website. And in here you can just control whatever you are doing. So when you are opening the sale and that stuff for your smart contract, then people will be able to mint from your collection and you will make money with this. Now the last step is when you have minted out, then you will want to enable the NFT reveal so that the NFTs reveal. So there you will just go back in here to settings and then click on enable NFT reveal, and then you just have to update, and then the NFTs will be revealed. So that is actually pretty easy to create this reveal NFT project, and really anybody can do this. So just get familiar with this, look at the settings a bit, and then you can basically have full control over your smart contract and create a nice NFT project. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. If you have any questions, just make sure to hit me up in the comment section, or maybe shoot me a message on Instagram. With that said, I will hopefully see you guys next week. Bye.